Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to insert a table in MS Word. Friends, sometimes we need to insert columns and rows in our Word document to make a data. So you can do it very easily by inserting a table. Now for example, I am making a timetable for a class. Now here I want to insert a table. So to insert table, I simply need to go to insert. In insert, I will find the option of table. Now here come on insert tables. Now here enter the number of columns and number of rows you required for your table. Now suppose I require 6 columns and 5 rows. After entering number of columns and rows, click on OK. Now we have successfully inserted a table. Now if you want to increase the height of your table, then you simply need to drag it little down. You can also change the style of your table. I will keep it as default. Now I will simply enter the data. So friends, like this you can very easily insert a table and enter data in it. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.